All right, so let's go ahead and jump to make sure that our Makey Makey actually works. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna move some things around here. I'm gonna move this box over. We don't need these stickers or instructions right now. And I just want to be able to get it where you can see all the work that we have here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and plug in our USB into our computer. You've probably done this before. We're going to go ahead and plug this into the Makey Makey. And we should see it light up. You see the green lights blinking. That just let us know that it's connected. And basically what this does is it serves as an extra keyboard. So you've got your keyboard here. The Makey Makey serves as another one. And this is why learning about circuits are going to be so important, because we're going to create circuits using the Makey Makey, and to start off with our own hands. And so we have the earth, all these down here are different earth elements that we can use to create the ground. And then all these options here can be ways in which we can control things on a computer or a device. And so what we're going to do before we do anything here, I'm just going to touch the ground with one hand. And you can see that since electricity flowing through the body, because the human body is conductive, we've got moisture on our fingers and our skin, which are going to go through, nothing happens. Just kind of like the switch with the Play-Doh and the foil. But if I were to touch the space, you're going to see it hopefully light up here. You see that green light turn on? We've completed the circuit. My hand kind of acts like that foil switch. And this is going to act as the space bar on the keyboard. So check this out. If we go to the website that Makey Makey's already created called makeymakey.com/piano. And I'm going to turn the volume up here. You're going to see the piano here. And you can see on this keyboard that we've got the left, the up, the right, the down, and the space. So check this out here. I'm going to hold the ground again. And now if I hit the up arrow, it plays the up sound. And the down, left, right, space. So this creates as a keyboard, it's creating a circuit going through, triggering, sending the communication into the computer, and then the computer reads it as the left, up, right, down, or the space. Clearly you can hear my fat bulldog in the background. My musical playing skills on the piano has triggered her excitement. So let's take a look at what else can we do with this just to make sure that everything is working properly.